Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our science activity. Today we are going to do one activity about thumbs up is going to change as a water. Okay, you know the color of thumbs up. You know the thumbs up color. See, this is the thumbs up. This is the thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up in thick brown color. Thumbs up is in thick brown color. So something present in this. Some colors and some substances present in the thumbs up. It is clear? Yes. And next, see, milk. Milk is in white color. Milk is in white color. So different things are present in the milk and also different things present in the thumbs up. Okay, because of that different substances, these are in different color. Okay, and next water, and next this is pure water. Pure water. Is any substances or is any colors? Is any other things in the water? No, it is pure. It is pure water. So here all these three, thumbs up and milk and water are the liquids. All these are the liquids. Here on the screen also you are seeing the different colors of different liquids. Okay, so by these things we are doing one activity. So today's activity is about thumbs up is going to change as a water. Okay, thumbs up is going to change as a water. Before doing the activity, thumbs up, what thumbs up contains? What thumbs up contains? Here see on the screen also you are seeing thumbs up contains some natural colors and some phosphoric acid and some gastric acids and some caffeine present and also water present. And in the milk, minerals are present, salts and sugars are lactose, sugars are present, okay, and fats are present and vitamins are present in the milk. So, in the water, is anything present in the water? No, there is no substances, no other things present in the water. So, we have to add milk in the thumbs up. Okay, let's we do what happened if we add thumbs up. If we add thumbs up in the, see, this is thumbs up. Okay. Now here in the thumbs up we are going to add, in thumbs up we are slowly we have to add thumbs up. Okay, here now we are adding, see, slow we have to pour thumbs up in the bottle. It's a pure thumbs up. Okay, see, and you can show it. And next, after, see, we have taken half of the thumbs up and some milk we have to, and some milk we have to, and some milk we have to add. And some milk we have to add in this slow. For this activity, see, we have added milk in the thumbs up, isn't it? Added or not added? Yes. Then we have to close the bottle with the cap. And here, see, instead of thumbs up we can take Coca-Cola also. Instead of thumbs up we can take Coke also. Okay, we can take Coca-Cola also. After 1 hour, after 5 minutes and after 5 minutes, see, all the phosphoric acids and some substances present in the thumbs up, those are attaching to the milk. All the phosphoric acids Coca-Cola and Thumbs Up contain some acids. That acids and that caffeine and some colors are attaching to the milk and going to settle down. After 1 hour we have to observe what is the condition. Already I have ordered before 1 hour milk in the Thumbs Up. I will show you after 1 hour what is going to happen. We can see after 1 hour here, see, have you observed? After 1 hour, if we place some more time, all the milk, all the substances settles down, slowly coming down to bottom, all the substances. So Thumbs Up is energetic or powerful than milk, or milk is powerful and energetic than Thumbs Up? Yes, right. Milk is energetic and powerful than natural. Natural liquid is very powerful than artificial liquid. See here, all the substances, phosphoric acids and acetic acids and caffeine and the natural colors, all are attached to the milk. All are attached to the milk, and they are going to settle down as a following picture. If after 1 hour if we observe, it is happening in this way. So by adding the milk to the Thumbs Up, okay, by adding the milk to the Thumbs Up is going to change as a water. This is the result behind of the Thumbs Up changing as a water. Thank you, children. Take care.